Okay, after we did the timing for that nylon, as you see. Okay, after we did the timing, we changed the feeders, medium and medium plate. We made sure everything is okay. If you okay, after we finished the timing, we changed the plate and feeder. As you see, these feeders is very tiny. It's for regular fabric, not for plastic or awning or whatever heavy stuff you want to sew. So if you want to do canvas, you want to do plastic, so you want to do fine leather, you can do. So anyway, you put a Teflon foot number 1, medium feeders and medium plate, and make sure when you install that one, nothing hits over here. If it does hit, you have couple screw on the bottom. You can move these two screw, this one screw going back and forth for the feeder. This screw over here going up and down. Depends how much you want. If the feeder doesn't show enough on the top, so you release that and push that lever up. If it's knocking on the plate, you're gonna open this one and you can move a little bit further and back. Okay? So now we adjust the machine. We put everything we want to sew nylon or canvas or heavy stuff. Even that thread, it's a B69, which it's heavy duty. And when you sew plastics or something, please use a silicone. You have two choices. One silicone spray, spray it all over your thread. And the second one, you have a box of liquid silicone, and you can put through the thread and it will be silicone in all time. So because this one you can spray once in a while on the thread, so when the thread going fast through the plastic, so it's not gonna melt. It's cooling the needle the time it goes through. So right now, we're going to show you the machine to work. It's 2-ply over here. You see the stitch back and forth. I already did that. This with timing point, so it's not that straight. You see it look like a diamond. If you put an arrow needle, it will be perfectly straight as that, as you see over here, a straight stitch. So we're going to do right now a sample to show you. And use the Teflon feet. Teflon feet will slide it much better and it won't get stuck with the plastic. So here you go. You see, as fast as I go, not a problem. If you want to go on heavy, look at this over here, and we're going on heavy. And you want to do, let's see, a reverse. You want to go back, that's fine, you can go back. You see? No problem. Doesn't break the thread, doesn't do anything wrong. As long as you do the timing as I show, change the feeder and plates, and very important, the Teflon foot. So then you can see. Plus, if it's bulking on the bottom, you must have to change your spring. You see, that's a heavy spring. This is a light spring. So sometimes you need more wear to tight the thread so it don't be anything on the bottom. You see, this is a little bit. Now, if you tight more, this is gonna disappear. The black one is you see. You see, it's two different thread, one yellow and one black. But this is all it is. Thank you very much for visiting Atlas Levy Sewing Machine. Okay, as you see over here, for a single needle, they use 16x257 LR, mean diamond point. And you can use the arrow point, any one you want. This size 21, this is the one I installed over here for B69 thread. But doesn't matter, heavy, it's for heavy fabrics or whatever you're sewing. Then you have another choice of a gold needle, which is an arrow needles, and it's size 18. So on some fabric or some places you don't want to show big holes, so you use size 18. Do not use on heavy work this kind of feeders, because this come with a machine when you order, and you get it regular sewing from Lycra to denim. And if you're going to heavy stuff, watch my timing on a machine. Make sure you're using that plate and feeder, which is medium. Change your spring, heavy duty one, and then you're gonna have a beautiful sewing. As you see the stitches over here, back and forth, very beautiful. And you can reduce a small stitch, big stitch right here, and this is your reverse. When you push, it will come back. And that's about it. Thank you very much.